Welcome to Click Academic. We'll be starting a series on logic and set theory. This is the lesson number 1, and we will be discussing about logic. And under logic, we have many things to discuss. The first thing when we say logic, we are talking about preposition. Firstly, we have to know what preposition is all about in terms of logic. Preposition is defined as a declarative statement or a statement that either true or false, but not both. What it means is that if you have a statement and that statement should be either false or true, but the statement cannot take false, the truth at the same time, it must take what? True or false, meaning direct. Let's take an example. We said Abuja is in Nigeria. Okay, now if you look at this example, Abuja is in Nigeria. It's true. Abuja is in Nigeria. So meaning it contains only true value. Then if you look at this, 5 is what? Greater than 7. We all know that 5 is not greater than 7, meaning it's false. So meaning it contains only false statement. Then you look at this, what is your name? What is your name? This one is not a preposition. Why? It's because if you say what is my name, maybe my name is Moses, I can decide to tell you my name is Musa. So you see that the name here it may contradict the word, the actual name. So for that, this one is not a preposition because it contains both. It can be true or false at this junction. When you say 1 is less than 3, unfortunately, this is a true statement. So no way on the face of the earth that you are going to see that this is false. It still remains as true. But there, what is your name can be true here, can be false anywhere. So that's what we are talking about preposition. Then we have types of preposition, as we said. We have 2 types of preposition. We have simple statement and compound statement. These are the two. Because when you say preposition, we're talking about statement, a declarative statement. If you look at the above definition that we made. So when we say simple statement, we say this is a type of statement that has only one preposition. We say that, like example, we say, okay, Abuja is in Nigeria. You see, this is only one statement. I can say, okay, Abuja is in Asia. So this is another statement. This one can be true, this one can be false. It's just a statement, right? So that's what we're talking about by simple statement. Then the next one is what? Is compound statement. This compound statement is when 2 or more simple statements join together with a connectives. Then they will form a compound statement. Let's example. Then we say, okay, Abuja is in Nigeria and Kaduna is a state. You see, this is a 2 statement. We have Abuja is in Nigeria. This and is a connective that joined Kaduna is a state. This and this are what? This is a simple statement. This is a simple statement. Meaning simple statement plus another simple statement. This is what will lead by the what? The compound statement. So when we talk about compound statement, we mean that when 2 simple statement comes together using connectives, that's when it appears as a compound statement. Then we are talking about connectives. As if you look at the definition of compound statement. Okay, now what are those connectives? Basically, we have 6 connectives. Namely, we have conjunction. This conjunction is being denoted by what? And. Any statement that has this and, so this is the what? A connective. Like this example I gave reference, Abuja is in Nigeria and Kaduna State is in what? Is a state. So meaning that and is a connective. We call it conjunction. Then we have the next one. If you look at this is a symbol of and, or this, or this. These are the symbols that normally represent conjunction in a statement. Then we have this disjunction. Disjunction is O-V. I can say, okay, Abuja is in Nigeria, or Kaduna State is a state. That O is a connective that join the 2 sentences together. So therefore, is what? Is a connectives. Then we have implicative. This implicative can also be named as material implicative or material statement. So this is, we normally know, okay, if dash dash then dash. Let's say if Kaduna is a state, then Nigerian is a country. You see that if Kaduna is a statement, then Nigeria is a country. That is a statement in case that maybe Kaduna is not a state. So that means Nigeria can be probably not a country. You understand? So that's what we mean by if then statement. It's really called what? Implicatives. This is the symbol of implicative, or this. Anywhere you see this, remember what? Implicative. If and if then. Then we have next, which is by implicative. Its another name is what? By material implicatives. This means that what? If and only if. If and only if. Okay, Kaduna is a state. If and only if Nigerian is a country. So this is how we normally use these connectives in a sentence. Then we have exclusive O, which is denoted as this, and XO. That's how we normally donate, which is also under connectives. Then we have what you call negation. Negation meaning not. You take the opposite. Let's say negation of Kaduna is a state. The negation of that, you say, okay, Kaduna is not a state. So that means you are referring to what? To negation. And this negation is simply implied by this, not, or this symbol, or this. And this negation is what you call a unitary connectives. Unitary connectives is one of the connective that is not part of a sentential connectives. We have these connectives are in general, but we have sentential connectives and we have what? Unitary connectives. So conjunction, disjunction, implicative, by implicative, exclusive O are the sentential connectives. Then negation is what you call unitary connective. So this is all about preposition and all about what we are going to be discussing. So I think in our next class, or next lesson, we will see how we can play with this connection using truth table. Thank you very much.